Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to create Smart Reach filter in Jira. First, go ahead and log into your Jira account. Once in, on the left panel, go to Apps and click on Explore More Apps. Now, search for Reach Filters and select one for Jira Dashboard. Now just click on this app. Now to install it, click on the Try It Free Now button. Then click on Review at the bottom. Now go ahead and start your free trial. Now just wait for it to be added. Now that it has been added, what you need to do is to go to your dashboard. Then go to Apps on the left panel and select on Reach Filters. Now click on Create Reach Filter button. Here just name it. Then select a Jira filter and click on Create. And there you have it. You now have your filter. You can add a description if you want, and you can also change its filter. You can go ahead and create a new one if you'd like. And that's just basically it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.